beauty of this book about persimmons is it's not just about the fruit or about the things that you bake or serve with it, but it's about the history behind it and the women that I interviewed and their stories. So it was cool to be able to interview some of the people that I know here locally and a little further out, just about their stories and what persimmons have meant to them. Growing up, going to the persimmon tree, and that you lay out like a tarp underneath it. Those who don't know what I'm talking about, this is what you do, because the persimmons fall and that's when they're ripe. You don't want to pick them when they're green because they're like super sour. And so you have a tarp and then you gather them all up before the animals can get them. But there's such memory and history, and there's all kinds of lore surrounding persimmons. So I think the books in the past that I've done, where I've done all the interviewing and letting people share their stories in my books, helped me be able to tell people's stories in the persimmon book. It was a really fun experience because a lot of these people I know locally, just, from the grocery store or going to church with them or, knowing their children. And then they were so excited to share this history of persimmons, what it's meant in their lives. And it always comes back to family in this area. So it was kind of fun to do.